The Director of Public Prosecution and Inspector General failed to produce Miguna in court today, even after a High Court order to have him arraigned in court at 2 p.m. In his ruling, High Court Judge Luka Kumaru told the IG and DPP to either produce Miguna tomorrow at 9 a.m. or release him today.
On 2nd of February 2018, this court, that is Justice Wakiaga, ordered the police to release the applicant on bond pending his appearance before court today. The Inspector General of Police was served with the order on the same day. The applicant was not released from police custody. This morning, that is on 5th of February 2018, this court again reiterated the order issued by the court on 2nd of February 2018. It directed the applicant to produce the applicant before this court by 2 p.m. today. This order, sadly, again, has not been complied with. It is apparent that the Inspector General of Police and the Director of Criminal Investigation are in contempt of the orders of this court. Article 49(1) of the Constitution sets out certain non-derogable rights in relation to an arrested person. That right includes an accused person's That right includes the right that an accused person, an arrested person, being produced in court within 24 hours to be charged or, in the alternative, be released. Article 25, Sub-Article C of the Constitution declares that the right to fair trial is one of those rights that may not be limited. Another right which cannot be limited is the right to not to be subjected to or the freedom from torture and cruel, inhuman, or degrading treatment or punishment. Article 25, Sub-Article A. From the submission presented before this court, it appears that the police, in detaining the applicant, are operating outside the Constitution and the law. In the circumstances, therefore, to remedy the situation, this court orders the Inspector General of Police, that is Boynet personally, and the Director of Criminal Investigations personally, George Kinoti, to appear before me tomorrow at 9 a.m. and bring the applicant personally before this court, or so that he can be dealt with in accordance with the law. This order shall be served by the DPP to the two officers, and it is so ordered. So we reconvene tomorrow at 9 a.m. The police does not appear before my court, Mr. Mailani. It is the Director of Public Prosecution that appears before my court. Under Article 157(10) of the Constitution, you have power to direct the police.
Yes, but now these are not our directions.
So what I'm just saying is that you comply also, serve them, tell the IG to bring the applicant here at 9 o'clock. Or alternatively, if he wants not to come here, he should release him today. And then he doesn't need to come. But if he doesn't release him, he should come here. Yes, you serve that order, and then, like I said in the morning, I don't want confrontation. I don't want confrontation with government. They should obey court orders, and then we just proceed.